Once we build our transformers and get them all potted and everything, we come over here, and this is the final stage before we ship it out. We're going to call that a good one.
See Fabrication in action here at Larson Electronics in Kemp, Texas, as our expert electricians install wires, plugs, receptacles, and more into our customized power distribution units. You'll also get to take a look at our masts being fabricated by our welding team, and the final powder-coated units which are installed onto our security trailers and tested by our quality control team. See how it's made in person. Schedule a tour. Give us a call.